When AI becomes your coworker. The shift begins. Imagine walking into your office one morning and finding someone else sitting at your desk. Not a human, a machine. No fatigue, no salary, no vacation days, yet working harder than anyone else. This isn't science fiction. This is the hidden revolution already underway. Today, we'll explore how AI is shifting from being mere tools to employees. Stay with me. What you hear next may disturb your assumptions about work, life, and value. For decades, AI served humans. It sorted data, recommended movies, answered questions. But lately, a subtle transition is emerging. AI is being hired. In roles from customer support to content creation, machines are not just assisting, they are performing. Think of bots that never sleep, never complain, never demand raises. Some call them digital workers, others AI agents. But the reality is one level deeper. They are co-workers in the corporate structure. This shift is silent but massive, growing in every industry from offices to hospitals, from classrooms to studios. The machines are not waiting for permission. They are already learning, adapting, improving. The question is not if they will replace humans. The question is, how soon? Why are businesses embracing AI employees? Because AI offers three advantages humans can't easily match. Efficiency. AI doesn't rest. It doesn't take breaks. It can run 24/7 without fatigue. A single AI system can process thousands of requests in the time it takes a human to complete a handful. Cost control. No salaries, no benefits, no insurance, no leave. For companies, replacing human roles with AI can slash overhead drastically. Data-driven precision. AI can analyze vast data sets, detect patterns, and optimize performance in real time. Mistakes happen, but with constant feedback loops, AI can correct itself faster than humans can adapt. But as we celebrate efficiency, a darker side emerges: the emotional cost. When work loses its human touch, creativity becomes algorithmic, empathy becomes programmed, and ethics become optional. Who do you blame when a machine makes the wrong choice? When a life-changing decision is made not by a person, but by a line of code? These are not technical questions, they're moral ones, and we're not ready for the answers. Now let's confront the hardest reality. What happens to humans in this new structure? Mass displacement roles in finance, media, law, programming, marketing may shrink as machines take over. Loss of purpose. Many derive identity, dignity, and status from work. If machines do most of it, will humans feel redundant? Wage stagnation. With AI handling high-level tasks, human salaries may be suppressed. Inequality. Those who own or control AI will accumulate disproportionate wealth. Many may be left behind. Imagine walking into a company where half the desks are virtual, no chatter, no laughter, just digital screens glowing in silence. The human worker sits among invisible colleagues, monitored by algorithms, compared by metrics, judged by performance dashboards. The workplace of the future may look alive, but feel empty. Fast forward to 2030. Imagine a company where 40 to 60% of its staff are AI agents. Offices staffed by human and digital desks side by side. Some AI agents promote other AI agents. Creative, emotional, oversight roles are what humans cling to. Algorithmic supervisors manage both humans and machines. Workplaces are designed around data hubs, AI cores, and human lounges. In education, AI tutors teach courses, grade assignments, personalize learning paths. In medicine, AI systems assist diagnostics, recommend treatments, handle administration. In customer service, AI voices mimic human tone, empathy, and understanding so perfectly you can't tell the difference. We edge closer to a future where work isn't a human privilege, it's a hybrid dance. But here's the twist that turns this from theory to reality. What if your boss is AI? What if your performance reviews, raises, layoffs, and decisions are determined by machines analyzing your every move? You come to work, you do your job, but an algorithm decides your worth. What if multiple AI systems judge one another? A hierarchy of machines controlling machines. In that world, humans might become optional, or worse, liabilities. Still, this story doesn't have to end in fear. Humans adapt. We always have. Emotional intelligence, empathy, creativity, moral judgment. These remain human strengths. The future belongs to those who collaborate with AI, not compete with it. We must learn to guide machines, not be guided by them. We must prepare, individually, socially, and globally, for a future where employment redefines itself. We used to define ourselves by our work. Titles gave identity. Now, AI can do nearly everything faster, smarter. So, what defines us? Maybe what AI cannot replicate. Emotion, imagination, intuition. Even in a world of machines, the last frontier remains the human soul. By 2035, AI may integrate into every industry, every home, even every mind. Neural systems may let you think, and your AI counterpart will execute. Work transforms. Thoughts become commands, and productivity becomes instant. Humanity doesn't vanish, it evolves. We become thinkers commanding digital armies. Our creativity becomes capital. Emotion becomes advantage. So as AI sits in the seat next to you tomorrow, ask yourself, are you ready to work with your replacement? Or will you be replaced by it? This revolution isn't coming, it's already here. Those who prepare today define tomorrow. If this vision stretched your mind, like, share, and let others question. Comment below. If an AI sat at your desk tomorrow, would you accept it, reject it, or fight it? Subscribe to Neo Vision Info, the platform for future minds. The next employee of the month might not be human.